Hello, GB.
Hello guys.
What are you doing?
Just doing some Hoover. Guys,
Hoover.
you know, and upstairs, I got this Hoover. Yeah, I'll show you upstairs when we go upstairs to Hoover.
Yeah.
So first there's Hoover downstairs.
Guys, today is too hot, and I thought
Yeah, we
GB
put
said
the fan on, guys.
He's going to
Guys,
clean
look.
for me. Yes.
So
with
we
the
had to put
Henry.
the fan on, guys.
Yes.
So,
It's too boiling hot in UK, guys.
yes.
So GB is going to clean for me because we had guests over the weekend, or last
And
weekend.
then we forgot to clean.
Yeah, no, we didn't forget to clean. I cleaned with my robot, but
No, you don't. You
yes,
silly.
yes, silly.
I
Okay,
don't like a robot.
okay. GB doesn't like a robot. So GB, what's the plan? Where are you gonna clean? Okay, so let's get going. GB is going to clean, guys. Okay, let's get going. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, look. Go. No. Before we go, yeah, look. It's got maximum power. Do you remember my daddy fixed this one, guys?
Oh yeah, is that the one?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got 10-meter cable. It's got 10-meter cable. Look,
Oh wow.
it's following there.
Yes, nice. Okay, let's get going, guys.
Okay.
We don't have time. Time is money.
Guys, the smell is
Come on.
Guys, smell is stinky.
Ew, just like GB.
That's when we bought it. It was used and completely stinky.
Just like GB.
This is when I bought an air freshener for this one day, and then I put in the vents every weekend, and that didn't work. I didn't have tool. So let's take this off. We don't need the big tool. That's why it's very dirty from underneath there.
Okay, so guys, GB is going to clean the sofas today. Okay.
Let's move it.
Oh, I can see the crumbs here. Let's see the suction. Let's do all the buttons, all the cleaning.
So guys, let's clean it up.
The suction is good, yeah?
Yeah.
You think so? What about this one? Let's try this one.
Some two of them.
Good boy, GB. Over here, over there, over here. There, I'm gonna tell you the spots. Okay, this is clean. Now this, see when you have guests and then kids come with them, this is what happens. And this one,
So the Hoover can't jump like this.
Yes.
Our robot can't look.
obviously
Guys,
your robot
it
can't jump.
Look.
Yeah.
So Henry's got a long pipe.
Uh-huh.
Actually, you know, guys, upstairs.
Uh-huh. This one, GB, this one. Yeah, okay. And this one is not done. This one is not done. And this one. Okay. Okay, now clean the whole sofa and let's move to another sofa.
Wait.
What happened? What's the sound?
Look. Guys, Henry's eye. Henry's eye fell. Ah, what's this? So like this. Okay.
It's not for the Henry. The sofa will get it. Okay, let's do in all of them. Let me pick the cushions up. And let's do all of them. This
Definitely.
sofa is not that dirty.
It is very dirty, and remember.
It's a bit cleaner than the other one. Okay. Yeah.
Actually, yeah, it's a little bit dirty.
This one.
Wait, come here, wait. Where?
Over here. This area.
Where? Yeah. Oh, you guys, one of best very Hoover. All you like have different Hoovers. Will not Hilo switch, yeah. That means get this one, swipe. Or you see the flowers with these ones, yeah.
Yeah.
The green flower. That means these ones have the Hilo switch.
Okay.
Some of the Hilo switch are red, and some of them are like this. Some of them are like this, but red, not the same color.
Okay. That's a very good information. Now let's move to the kitchen chairs, yeah?
Oh yes, kitchen chair.
Yep. Chairs are dirty and GB is going to help me clean them. Look at the crumbs when the kids left. And there's crisp, there's biscuits, there's breadsticks. Can you guys see? GB, I need your help.
I need a maximum power.
Maximum, yes. Okay, come on, let's clean it. I'll do this. And over here.
No, that's it. Look.
No, this. Yeah, like this. And over here. Yeah, now do this. You want me to hold this for you?
Yeah.
Now let's move to another chair.
I thought we had one chair, guys. Can you hold it, Mama?
Over here. Good boy. Yeah, this is your GB. GB, this is your presentation. Was that you? Okay, do that. There. Over here. No, they're still stuck on there. It looks like sand to me. Sand? What was that noise? What was that noise? GB, what was that noise? A monster! Monster in the Henry, guys! Monster! Over here, GB. Give me the chocolate there. Chocolate. Henry's hungry, GB! Henry's hungry for chocolate. Okay. Henry wants some chocolate. Okay, let's do it.
No, it's cool.
Over there. Okay, let's move to the other chair. Oh my god. This is messy. Over here too. Over here. That's it. Let's do this side now. Oh, stuck. That's it. Ta-da! Thank you, GB.
Guys, I was using the hand downstairs, and this one. Just buy this one, guys. Everybody buy this one.
Which one is it?
This one.
Oh, this is the one I ordered, remember?
Yeah, which you have.
The surprise. I gave you the surprise, remember? Okay, so guys, GB is going to GB clean downstairs with. So GB cleaned downstairs with the Henry, and now he's gonna clean with this upstairs, this small baby area, and we're gonna test it. Of course, we did clean it before, but he's gonna test it now.
that is a different one, guys. So look at this.
Oh wow. It's very nice.
I don't know how to put the hair in the brush roll in here. So let's move again. Let's see how much to pick. Issue with this thing now. It's older now. It's older. Over older. So guys, we're done from here now. You know how much it costs? 10,000. Think of it, we'll do anything. The Henry is better than this. Keep it. There's no gas is blocked. This thing is blocked. It's not good. But I'm going to get the Henry. Guys, I'm going to get the Henry. This is not doing anything. It's too hard. How much dust is it collecting? Guys, we're done now. Let's do the floor. Tell me how to land the inside. Mommy, this side. This one, what's the name of this one?
It's called Swan.
Swan.
Eureka or Erica Swan. And it's Power Turbo Pet Extend. So it's basically for the pet.
Oh, I'll pay for this one.
Yeah, so it's the suction is very, very high for this. That's why it's a bit loud as well, because it picks every single bit of it.
And you know what is very bad of this thing?
What?
Wash the filter.
Oh wow, this is dirty. Show us. Show us.
This thing here. Oopsies, guys, I'm gonna.
I can see. I can see. I can see it. I can see
You
it.
guys, you can't see.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Look at here.
But it's the dust basically.
So guys, you know how dust or you don't want to get first, or you can guys, or your hoof, or you don't want to get, or you don't want to get your filter disgusting and dusty. So first, just give a proper wash here and duct tape this hole.
Why the duct tape?
That's why, or you need to doctor it. Then the dust. That's why this is cheated Hoover.
Is it?
Yeah, these are these Hoovers,
Mm-hmm.
like the standard ones with the cord.
Yeah.
These ones are cheated ones.
Cheated ones.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
That's why
Mm-hmm.
this goes here
Mm-hmm.
and this goes up here, and then dust filter. So guys, we cleaned it downstairs and upstairs.
Mm-hmm. Jimmy, you're a very good boy because you clean upstairs and downstairs.
Bye.
Are you gonna put this Hoover away now?
Yeah, let's show you guys.
Okay. So guys, GB's helped me. He cleaned downstairs and upstairs and the rest of the floor. My robot cleaned it and mopped it. Thank you so much, Robot and GB Henry. Love you both. Take care. And thank you guys for watching GB channel. Thank you for the love and support. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to follow GB on TikTok by name of GB Henry. And on Instagram. Follow him on Instagram. And we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.